So, let's go to Africa Sabah.
Where's Gamo?
Tagpong lakaw.
Balik-balik ko na isla eh. Ayaw, lagi kinaiwa ako naman ako. Bata.
Ibo lapat. Ano, 3 feet. Stay 5. 3.5 or
Namay nanay. Namay nanay.
Huh?
Sabana.
One group po ka na, ma'am, sir? Or lahi-lahi? Right side po.
Right side, Dabi, right side.
Papa! Sabi yung papa?
Yeah.
Line.
Ilan mo kabuok ka ni ma'am, sir? 11. How many are you in your group po?
3 ram. Kami 3.
Sila mo, ma'am? 7. Sino na siya? Kutog sa sana.
Una mo, una mo. Una, babe, una, ikaw una. Ikaw una. Ikaw una. Ikaw na, good, ikot ka muna. Continue rin. Wala, continue rin. 5 minutes.
Wala ba na?
Sige lang. Kaya, magkuha naman siya.
Mabuhay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the African Safari. I'm your guide for this ride and my name is Carl. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the truck is in motion. Remember to keep us all out of the car. So now, let's embark on our adventure and discover the incredible adventures that inhabit this safari.
Wow.
Pagdating ng mga kabayo ko rin.
There's a zebra.
Your friend Kyle Subantiluk. So, we have the blue wildebeest, Blessback, and also the oryx gazelle. So for the blue wildebeest, earns name due to the blue sheen on its coat, and they are also known as the clan of the savannah due to their peculiar mating season dances. They can communicate through sight, smell, and vocalization. So remember the stampede of the Lion King movie when Mufasa fell off the cliff? So blue wildebeest are part of that scene. So that one is James Bok or Oryx Gazelle, si Madam Gazelle. Sa Papig. Yes, Utopia. So they have a light brown scales, handcuffed with the lighter patches on the rock. And they're also known for their easy horns about 85 centimeters long. So also they are king of Kalahari deserts. Once again, blue wildebeest and Oryx Gazelle, and also the Blessback. In front of us, we have the zebra.
Zebra is there.
Murag matcha. So for zebra, they have a black skin with white stripes. And their stripes are unique like fingerprints with no two animals of the same pattern. And then, zebra can sleep while standing with one eye open for about 15 minutes because they have blacking joints. Also, their black stripes can absorb heat while their white stripes can release heat. So once again, mga sir, zebra.
There's a baby zebra there. Bye-bye, zebra.
And then smaller, the smallest one, muna 8 months old or new. So, muna yung sa left side ninyo, Mama Sir, ito po yung holding area nila. Ila yung holding area. So, around 400 naman, nana sila sa soup. So, sana na po sila, i-open lang po sila rin sa soup. Para sila patutundan. Eh, kasi nag-absent sila, tinatawag ng friends. It's a water bath. Yes. This one water bath ni siya sa inyong right side. So water bath easily recognizable by the rock tooth. Medyo baho no. Tungudan ni nila. Long shaggy hair under the throat. So another fun fact for water bath, the older they get, the stinkier they become. And then the male stinkier they become, the more attractive to females.
Let's go.
So this one is the eland. Eland, one of the
It's a
largest
tear.
They can weigh up to 40 to 1,000.
Pinalibang.
So the last one is the greater kudu. Para siya the Maleficent movie ang horror. Baho. Yes. So, one of the tallest and longest horned antelopes. And their horns can reach up to 6 feet in length. Also, their horns can press back. So once again, we have the greater kudu ilang kita katay. Para yung greater kudu, kanang greater kudu, wawo na, shy type na. Larga na, baka siya nagringit dito. Once again, better na. Awala. Bye. Apoy ko ba ito? Na, ang kami yung buliwan eh. Ulit tama naman sir ha. Hindi ko matatan.
Huwag na roller coaster eh.
Sakay na ka. Impala. So the last one we have the Impala and also the Tamsun's Gazelle. So Impala kanang without horn, walay sungay. So Impala known as the incredible jumper and fast runner of the savannah. Impala can leap up to 3 meters high and covers distances to 2 meters. Also, they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour. Mauna yung paborito sa mga cheetah, mga layong gara. Ano siya? Pero si Bambig. And then the other one is the Thompson's Gazelle. So Thompson's Gazelle, one of the smallest and cutest antelopes here in the savannah. And that is their adult size. So despite of their small size, they can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. 90 and 80. Oh, kay cheetah ay man kapin, 114, 91. Cheetah na check kay mo trip. Video na po. Zigzag ni sila.